All right, welcome to 107 Poplar Court in Collegeville, and this one is a beauty. So taking the drone shots as usual. Back there too, you'll see the backyard, and right back there, you can actually sneak in and get right on the trail. So very, very nice location. And then we're just gonna show you some shots of the neighborhood. So you do have a Wawa within walking distance, which I view as always being a plus. And very, very quick access, in my opinion, to get down to 422. So really nice from that standpoint, and nice from this standpoint. You're really close to nature. You can see this is within walking distance too, and really, really nice. And from here, there is a way that you can join that neighborhood pool, last I checked. So we'll do some more due diligence, but you have that, you have the playground, and you really have a very walkable community and a lot of conveniences nearby. So that's kind of the overview, and the fall colors too are gorgeous right now. So here's just a shot down of the row. We actually had the one on the end listed too, that's under contract as of now. And there you go. So the nuts and bolts of this house, I'm gonna call it a 3/4 bedroom. So upstairs on the very top floor, there is another room that could easily be an office. The only point of contention is you have to access it through another bedroom. So just being upfront about that, but the basement is also finished, and really finished in a unique way. I like it. So you have the room, and it's basically rectangular in shape, but you have all the access to the utilities and the maintenance and everything you need to get to in the basement, and it's very nicely done. So you'll see that in the boots on the ground video when we go through, and that's the rundown. So here you go, you can see the parking. It's right there in the middle between those two trees. And without further ado, we're gonna get you inside and take you for the boots on the ground tour. So here we go. All right, here we are at a coming soon. It is 107 Poplar Court. We actually have the privilege to be selling the one on the end there. So we'll tell you more about that, but this is the feature one right now. So as soon as we walk in 107, you're gonna see, we take our shoes off, still hand sanitizer and gloves, but we have a coat closet. So tile floor, we'll bring you up with the new floors there, and a little sneak peek through the kitchen, because you have that window right there. So here we go. And let's just take you around for a quick little tour. We'll show you that, how it's open and flowing all the way through into the kitchen. And right away, you have a powder room. So here's the powder room. Nice, fairly updated. Tile floor in there. And there you go. So this wood flooring flows throughout. I'll just take you for a quick little walk. So you can see that deck right now out there, and that is the trail. So you can actually access the trail pretty quickly and easily, which is nice. And if I have some time, I'm gonna add some footage of that. Here's the kitchen. I believe a newer floor and a true eat-in kitchen, because you have this whole space. I'll spin you around. Something I love, the cabinets there, you can actually access them. So I believe that is a newer or brand new almost fridge. You do have gas cooking. Bring it down, the dishwasher's right here. Storage space above those cabinets. And there you are. So that is the first floor. I'll just spin you around so you see every nook and cranny. Right here is another area that could be, a dining area. And it's just, open to your imagination, however you want to have it set up. But as it is, or as it stands now, it works. So here's the deck. You can see backyard there. Wawa is not far at all, and we have that trail. And we'll get outside too and show you some of the specs on the AC. But there we go. We'll actually on this one take you upstairs and then show you the basement, because the basement is finished. And that, by the way, is a wood burning fireplace. So here you go. You can see everything. Take it in, and up we go. So I'm gonna call this 3/4 bedrooms, and you'll see why. The one is really only accessible through the primary bedroom. But again, bonus room, however you want to use it, go to town. So here are the 2 bedrooms here. So we'll poke in, this one's being used as an office, but clearly a bedroom. I'll spin you around. There you are. So big closet, good space. And bedroom number 2 is right around here. A little bit bigger. And this actually faces the front, by the way. Only the primary bedroom faces the rear of the house. So good closet. Here is a utility closet, but technically linen for everything. Here's our first full bathroom. Remember, we saw one half downstairs. All right, and really a linen area back there with what they have situated with the shelving. So, big sink. All right, we'll take you down the hallway. And here is the primary bedroom. So a lot of closet space, spoiler alert. Here is that back. See the beautiful fall foliage and nice backyard space. I'll just tuck you in the corner so you actually, have the true sense of magnitude, because this is a big bed, closet 1, closet 2, and the bathroom. So walk-in closet here. Bring you back. Walk-in closet there. And actually I'll start the footprint to show you. It goes all the way up. Looks like we have attic access there. And full bath. So 2 full baths, 1 half bath. There's the shower. Toilet's semi-private over there. We'll spin you around. And then the tub. So there you are. And bonus room heading up. Here is that, what I'm calling a 4th bedroom, if you really want to utilize it as such. So nice carpet all the way throughout. There you go. Big space. I'll take you in the corner. Does have its own AC system there. I think that's very similar to the one at 113 Poplar. But there you go. So 2 windows there. Looks like you have baseboard heating there, as well as right there. And this is a big space. I mean, game room if you want to. Again, use your own imagination. However, we have not yet seen the basement. So the basement offers, a lot of finished space as well. So one more shot at the primary bedroom. We'll spin around. Remember, 2 bedrooms there, bathroom in the closet. All right, now we'll head down. Show you the main level. All right. See that one more time to refresh your memory. And now we're gonna turn right here and go down the basement. So down we go. This is the finished section. High enough ceilings. Storage there. And look at this. So big room. You see all the recessed lighting. And it's really framed out because we have a poured concrete foundation here. I'll open these doors and show you. So there's the carrier unit. I'm sure it matches outside, but I'll double check. Sump pit area right there. And I could walk you right down here. I'm actually gonna walk you through the finished area. So a door for a quick, easy access for all these. Here you go. See the plumbing. The water heater's right there. It is gas fed. GE. We'll get you all the details on that. Spin you around, sneak peek of the laundry. But again, this is a nice finished rectangular space. So we'll go through here. There you go. So workshop area, tools, whatever you want to put there. And a nice little nook here that's technically under those steps that brought us down here. And here's the laundry. So there you go. Nice little window there. See the trusses. Here's your breaker panel, 100 amp, it looks like. And straight shot down there. So that's how they finished it. So there you go. Bring you back on up. Here we go. Hopefully leave nothing to the imagination. As always, beginning and end of this video, we're gonna have drone footage. Show it off. There you are. Come in your front door. Got kitchen. And right here. So for right now, I'm gonna leave you right there.